Hey everyone, Myra here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Project Wonderful campaign to drive traffic to your Etsy shop. So basically, I've logged into my account. I already have an account. And you can see here I have a campaign that's running, and this is for my blog. I'm going to create a campaign for my Etsy shop. So first you need to make sure you have funds in your account. If you don't have your account funded, you would fund it by clicking on My Account, My Funds, and then down here you would specify how much you want to add. The next step is to actually do a search for blogs you're going to bid on. So I'm going to click on Advertising and search for new places to bid. I'm going to click on each box, but I'm going to fill them out as we go. So I'm going to run a campaign just in the US. I don't want to run it anywhere else. And then I want to see the traffic thresholds on blogs that have at least 100 page views to 1 million page views over the past 5 days, okay? And then I'm going to leave all this the same. I'm going to click on the bidding tab. And here, basically, I'm going to click on clicks per display. And the historic average bid I want on a site is between 0 to 3 cents. And I'm just going to copy that all the way down. Because basically here all we're doing is searching for blogs that I want to bid on. Okay, so the next tab, size and categories. I find that the most effective ad size is the 125 by 125, the button ad, because that is the type of ad that most blogs will offer. Now, you can select the category groups. The most effective one, believe it or not, is comics. Not sure why. Craft and hobbies is next. I'm going to check all here, and what it's going to do is going to select all the categories at the bottom. Next, I'm going to go to site description. Here, I'm not going to do anything. You would use this if you wanted to include a specific site, or if you wanted to include some specific tags. Refer, I'm going to leave this blank also. And under restrictions, here, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to accept the default here and click search. Okay, and what's going to happen is you're going to get a list of blogs. And what we're really interested in is this number down here, this 351. That's the number of blogs that are included in this search. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually bid on all of these sites using a campaign. So instead of having to go in manually and bid on every blog, that's 351, using a campaign automates the process, so I can set it and forget it. So I'm going to set my budget, and I'm going to say I'm going to pay no more than 3 cents per region. I'm going to set my daily budget to $2, and I'm going to set my overall budget to $5. And on high bids, I'm going to leave it blank for right now. But I am going to restrict the type of ad boxes I'm going to bid on. So I don't want to bid on anything that I'm already bidding on by hand, which I'm not going to bid on any by hand, or any box that I'm bidding on with another campaign. Because I don't want to be double advertising on a site. And I'm going to do that here also. And this one here, this is up to you. Some blog owners have more than one blog. And if you block this, you're only going to be able to bid on an ad in one of their blogs. Ads to include, it automatically checks all your ads. You should have created an ad before you started your campaign. I'm going to uncheck the ones I don't want to use and leave the one I am going to use. And set my date and times here. It's going to start today, and I want to end it on the 31st. And I have no restrictions on the days. I accept the defaults. And then on the bidding styles here, I like to use the cautious. And I'm going to bid on sites that meet my criteria only, which is our search criteria. I'm going to click next. It's going to give me all my information here. And once I confirm it, I give my campaign a name. And I'm going to confirm the campaign. And that's it. I now have a new campaign. So if I go to advertising and my campaigns, I'm going to see the campaign I just created right there. Anyway, I hope you found this useful, and if you have any questions, be sure to visit our blog at ecoetsy.com.